Oh my god. So I know what you're thinking. This is your vlog channel, Rochelle. Why are you posting a hair video? Because I feel like it. Jesus Christ. Yes, I'm posting a hair video on my main channel because I just feel like it, just want to. That being said, I have a beauty channel that I post on as well. Subscribe to that channel. The link is in the bio. And I do most of my hair review and makeup tutorials. My hair review on that channel. So if you don't know, now you know. Destiny's Child. So yeah, let's get right into it. I'm reviewing this hair. It's a wig from Miss Buy. Okay, so this is the packaging. All right, hold up. Oh my god! Things are falling. So this is the package it came in. Okay, I'm trying to just keep it in the camera for you guys. It came in this cute little, oh whoops. It's okay, the package is not what's important, but it came in this pouch. Remove the pouch like this. And this is the wig. This is the wig. I really do hope you guys can see it. I'm so excited to have curly hair again. I haven't had curly hair in a long time. It's 22 inches. Let me just look at it. Oh, it looks like it's pre-tweezed at the hairline, so you don't have to do too much, if anything at all. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to bleach the knots. I pretty much always bleach my knots. I'm gonna bleach my knots and kind of style it for you guys, but I have a feeling I won't have to do too much to this wig. It's 150 density. I really could have got 200 density because I just feel like curly hair is supposed to be big and obnoxious. You know, why not? So, but yeah, it feels great. It actually feels really soft, like my fingers are running through the curls. So I'll be back after I bleach the knots. And I'll probably be wearing something different. It's just gonna be a whole entire new day. It's not even gonna be this day. It's gonna be a new day. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right, BRB. So here's a close-up of the front. I don't know if you can see through that, but it's already thinned out. So once I bleach the knots, it should be virtually invisible and I won't have a whole lot of work to do. All right, you see how thin it is at the front, which is perfect. It will create the illusion of a real hairline. New day. So last night I bleached the wig, the knots, and I let it dry. I am really excited about this wig, by the way. I haven't had a curly big wig in so long and I'm really excited to put this on. So I am going to be putting an elastic band. Lately I've been gluing my wigs to my head. So I think I'm not gonna do that with this. I'm just gonna use an elastic band. The wickedest part about this wig is that it's already pre-plucked for you. So if anything, you just gotta cut the baby hairs a bit shorter, but the work is already done. So you're not gonna have to spend all that time plucking away at the lace. It's ready to go. And I'll be right back and I'll actually have it on my head. All right guys, I've done it. It's already thinned out for me. So all I have to do now is cut the lace and make a few baby hairs. I'll be right back. All right guys, so I cut the lace. You're always gonna have this little air flap part. So what I do, these scissors suck, but what I do is I just cut a slit so this part can come like here. And if you really want to, you can let me just hold on guys, let me just so I don't know, I kind of feel like doing a free part. I don't really want to put a designated part in this hair. I'm just going to take like a little row at the top and just kind of unevenly go through it, you know? This is a bit much hair though, to be honest. It's a lot. You just want like 1 or 2 strands, you know? Like literally. Just want a few strands to work with. Gonna gel down my baby hairs, and then I'll be done.
There's still a piece of it.
It's me. Who's calling me? Who is it? Hyacinth? My mom's calling me. I want to put some got to be on the corner, but just ignore that for now, because I'm just going to do the top, you know what I mean? The thing is, when you do your baby hairs, it's advisable to go ahead and tie it down. I don't think I'm going to. I'm just going to, give you a little example here. I'll tie it down after. After you're gone. Mom! Dad, I'm making a video. God! They don't want to talk to me until I'm making a video. We're going to zoom out so you can just see it in its entirety. Shopping! Whoa! Okay, so I look different again, and that's because my camera died while I was doing my little modeling 1-2s and just showing you the view. So I told you guys that I wasn't going to do a designated part, but then I changed my mind and I did one, and it looks great. The wicked part about the lace front is I can part it deep, like I can go deep. Yeah. Anyway, so what do you guys think? I love it. The hair is so soft. Oh, I just think it's amazing. As I said before, the details to the hair are in the link below. So click the link in the description box to get this exact wig. And yeah, if you guys love this video, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my beauty channel where I do makeup tutorials and hair reviews on that channel. Okay, guys? All right, I think this is it for now. I love you